Hey, this is Tom with the Father's Workshop Screen Printing, and you know, you get to mess around the shop sometimes, and you just kind of do something, and it's kind of really neat. So I'm gonna take just a few minutes, and this won't be a long video. And this is really, I'm waiting on my sublimation stuff to come in. It should have came in today, and we're gonna use that new Poly T Plus, but we're not doing that on this film here. I was in the shop here, I was messing around, and I found this shirt. I ain't gonna wear it. So I was looking at the sleeve, and it's polyester, and being it's this bright color that's around my neck, I took one of the sleeves off, and yeah, it fits around the neck pretty good. And then I got an idea. I said, well, what if I could sublimate? let me rephrase that. Sublimate. I don't know why I say sublimate, but anyways, supplement. Anyways, but I found this shirt, and I thought, what if I could sublimate? And I thought, what if I put my face on it? After all, we do have to wear a face. Well, we don't have to. Well, some places you do. But it's a face mask. Why not put your face on it? You don't feel so weird going on. So that's what I did. And so here's my face mask that I made. So here's my face mask. I was messing around the shop, and here it is. I was messing around the shop, and I just happened to take my face, and I took a picture of it. I put it into my editing program. I hope you can hear me because I've got the mask on. Anyways, take a good look at it. I gotta take this off. This is crazy. Cleaned it up and all that stuff, and then once I got done with it, I took it and I made a copy of it with my sublimation ink. Then I cut it out and I put it on this piece of polyester, because you know, polyester 100%. I mean, when you're dealing with this polyester, your sublimation ink works great with this. I mean, you don't have to treat it and all that stuff. It works. So I made this, and I was just messing around the shop, and I was just, you know, and I was like, I need to make me a face mask. And seeing how it's a face mask, why not put my face on it? And so when I did, it distorted it. I looked like a gorilla. There. And so I put my face on it. And so anyway, make your own face mask. If you're doing sublimation, why don't you just fool around with it and get you all I did was took this shirt and I took the sleeve off of it. I guess it's an extra large. It's an extra large shirt. And then I put it around my neck and then pull it up like this. Of course, you got to sublimate it first. And so I did. And let me show you what it looks like now that it's stretched and distorted. I look like a gorilla. But let me show you what it looks like before I do. Now, that's what it looked like after I pressed it in the heat press with the sublimation ink. And all I did was took and cleaned it up, cut it out of the paper and put it onto the mask. Now it looks like a regular face until you put it on, then it's distorted. And that's because this sleeve, if I had a double XL or something like that, it wouldn't be as tight around. So depending on the shirt you get. But if you can find a cheap polyester shirt or something like that, that's like a double XL or triple XL or something like that, something you can put on over, so it'll slip over your head easy. Polyester does. It won't distort the image as bad, but that's what it looks like. And I was just fooling around the shop here when I did it. But that's what it looks like. That's supposed to be this. You didn't know I had such a big schnauzer, did you? Anyways, that's what it's supposed to look like. But when you put it on, it distorts and it'll look like a gorilla. So, anyways, you like my shirt? She does. She has an awesome husband. And she got a shirt that says, my husband has an awesome wife. So, what can you say? Anyways, but that's something simple that I made as a face mask because I'm tired of all this going around looking like you're a surgeon. Some people's got some of the most pitiful looking masks I've ever seen, but look, why not make the best out of a bad situation? I mean, seriously, if you got to wear a mask and they're going to make it mandatory to wear a mask, why not wear something to brighten somebody's day? I mean, people walking around with masks on, you don't know if they're walking by sticking their tongue at you when you go by or not. You have no idea what they're doing. But why not brighten your day by just making you a simple, crazy mask like this? And it ain't hard. Y'all know how to do sublimation ink. And if you don't, learn how to do it. Just find you a shirt, an oversized shirt with a big sleeve, because that's all I did was I just took the threads out of the sleeve. And that's all I did. And then I found the best way that it would fit on me, and then I took and put just this part of your face, just the part that's going to be covered. That's the only part that needs to show on here, and it was pretty neat. So I enjoyed it. Hey, if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up and give me a like. You know, I don't know if anybody likes me or not, but give me a like, and we're going to get back with you on our next video on the Sublimation Plus, the Sublimation Plus. We're going to get back with you on the next video on the Poly T Plus. That's my dye press, and we're going to see how it works. I've got some shirts over here. I got some shirts over here, and we'll try one. We'll try it out on one of the white T-shirts and see how it looks. I will be back. I promise.